In the anonymous course evaluations that we get at the end of the semester, someone wrote to me that she's built to teach. She made me learn things that I didn't think I would learn in the shortest time possible. I'm Salma Emara. I'm an assistant professor teaching STREAM at the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at the Faculty of Applied Science and Engineering at the University of Toronto. My work focuses on teaching programming and building software tools that aid programming education. We are in a lecture hall at the Bacon Centre on the St. George campus. This is where I would typically teach my undergrad courses. There are two main parts in my work. It's teaching and research. In my teaching, I teach programming courses to first year and second year students, and I also teach a graduate course in machine learning. In my research, I focus on developing software tools that help aid programming education. And also, along with my team, I built a software tool that helps explain error messages to first year programmers. The big question that keeps me up at night is, how do we teach engineering students how to find errors or bugs in their code? And one of the common debugging techniques is to read out your code out loud, line by line, to someone or to a rubber duck. And this is why it's referred to as a rubber duck debugging technique. And this is when I started introducing rubber ducks in my classrooms. I would distribute them to students who participate in class or who answer questions or who just ask good questions. And this is to bring awareness to that debugging technique. It's teaching. It's a very rewarding job. It's the impact that I can have on someone who comes into my classroom not knowing something about a topic and they exit knowing a lot. It's not just the knowledge that they gain in the classroom, it's the wisdom through the interactions with other students or through the difficult times as a learner that they go through. It's Professor Ahmed Zewail. He is the first Egyptian to win a Nobel Prize in a scientific field. I heard in one of his interviews, he said that he wanted to be a professor, so he wanted to keep this goal in front of his eyes. So he wrote down on a paper, Professor Ahmed Zewail, and kept it in front of his eyes. And once I heard that, I don't know, I felt deeply touched. So I went down and wrote a paper with Professor Salma Emara. And underneath I wrote the world ranker. I wanted to get a world rank in physics, and this is what happened actually a few years after. And 10 years after that, in 2022, I got my offer to join the University of Toronto as a faculty. It's the grit of our students, the courage and determination that they have through the difficult times. I love to be part of that journey where I could give them a push or help them out whenever they get stuck or whenever they pass through difficult times. It is indeed, being a learner is a challenging thing, and I would love to be part of that journey with them.